how to use Instagram Super Hearts features. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate or use the Super Hearts feature only on Instagram. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do here is to pull up your Instagram application and ensure that you're logged in. But before anything else, the Super Hearts feature on Instagram is actually an animated reaction designed for Instagram stories, and so instead of using standard flat emojis, users can send eye catching or crystalline 3D hearts that float across the screen to show extra support or to make a friend story stand out. However, there are some specific requirements for you to be able to obtain this. So at the upper right portion of your screen, you should see three lines on Instagram. And then scroll down here. Now under for professionals field, choose on account type and tools. And then from here, scroll down once again and choose on your professional tools, which is going to be the monetization. Choose on subscriptions, and there have it. This is going to be the specific requirements that you need to follow first for you to be able to obtain the Instagram Plus subscription. But once you've successfully obtained it, here's how you can use it. So before using it, you've got to make sure that you're ready to switch into your professional dashboard. Just simply tap it, and you should be able to see that option here. And there you go. That's how you use Super Hearts feature on Instagram.